In this video, I am going to walk you through how to put your TikTok videos in slow motion. You can use this feature to make the video look more professional or add a new layer of excitement to your videos. There are a few different ways to do this, so watch this video until the very end and follow these simple steps and you'll be able to create slow motion videos in no time. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So let's go ahead and open up the TikTok app. I am going to tap on this plus icon at the bottom center to open up my camera. And if you look at the top right, the second option is speed. So if you tap on it, it will give you these options. So 1x is normal speed, so if you want to slow down your video, you can tap on either 0.3x or 0.5x. So 0.3x will triple the length of your video by slowing down. For example, if you record 10 seconds at 0.3x, it will be about 30 seconds, and at 0.5x it will double the length of your video by slowing down. So you can select either one of these options and tap on the record button to record a slow motion video on TikTok. However, if you want to slow down a video in the gallery, all you have to do is tap on the upload option at the bottom right of the screen. Select any video that you would like to slow down. And then tap on the effects option at the top right. And you will see all of these effects that you can add to your TikTok video. So scroll through the options at the very bottom and then tap on time. So, as you can see, there is an effect to slow down your video. Simply tap on it, and then you can select what part of the video you want to add this slow-mo effect to. So move these sliders and select the specific part, and then tap on save at the top right to apply this slow-mo effect to your TikTok video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments below. If not, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos like this. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.